Hello everybody, again today I will talk about another project which enables you to stay and live in different parts of the world, and your stay will be your stay and your expenses will be funded by organization itself. Today's topic is about AIESEC. AIESEC is one of the biggest global youth organization which enables its participants to volunteer or at the same time to work in different parts of the world. Previously, I talked about EVS projects. EVS projects compared to AIESEC is smaller because AIESEC is not just only in Europe, but it's also in US and South America and eastern part of Asia. So different part of the world is open for your volunteering, and you can travel from one side of the world to another side of the world and stay there within the program itself, and work and volunteer and make good friendship and make good experience for yourself. As I told you before, AIESEC is a big organization. 127 country is participating in this organization. AIESEC has three elements. Well, first of all, is global volunteering. Global volunteering enables you to volunteer in different projects like environmental or social or like teaching. It doesn't matter what kind of program it is. It depends on your experience and your ability. Mainly, volunteering program does not demand any specific requirements. And if you have small English and if you understand me, your English is quite normal, it means. And in this case, you will be asked to apply for volunteering program, which are in different part of the world, as I told before. And secondly is global talent. Global talent is a bit different from volunteering experience. Volunteering, it just only demands your English, and some previous experience is also okay. But in global talent, you will be asked to have some specific knowledge. If you want to apply for global talent, you will have to provide some experience, or you have some educational background to prove that you can be part of any project in the future. And additionally, global talent, different from global volunteering, is paid. I mean, if you are eligible for the global talent programs, the program itself will pay money for you during your stay there. At least most of the programs are paying some money to its participants. But global volunteering pay only for your food and your accommodation mostly. It depends, because you will see which program pays for what, and usually they pay for global volunteering usually pay for your accommodation and your food, and global talent also pays for your salary for you. For example, it depends on the way you work and what kind of project you work. So about applying for this program, it is also simple. But before I talk about the program, applying the program, I will tell you one thing, that I will put one video which describes how to apply to the program itself. It is a tutorial program. It is a tutorial video, shows that you can go to the website itself and do this procedure as it says, and you will be able to find the different projects suitable for your previous experience and your education. I think that this is all I can say about this project, because the only thing you should know is to be aware of the programs. After that, next stage will be dependent on you, because you can go to the website and do what is asked to you, which is very clear. And in case you have some difficulties through the process of applying, please leave your comments, and I will try to help you, or I will try to answer your comments by reading them and by searching for different possible solutions. Have a nice day. Good luck with your future volunteering.